Does your living room feel a little plain or outdated? Don't worry. Today, we're talking about 15 simple and stylish tips to help you create a beautiful, elegant, and chic living room that looks like it came straight out of a magazine without breaking the bank. 1. Choose a neutral base. Start with soft, neutral colors like beige, cream, white, or light gray. These tones make your space look clean, modern, and timeless. You can always add pops of color later with cushions or decor pieces. 2. Add a touch of greenery. Plants instantly add life and elegance. Even one large indoor plant, like a fiddle-leaf fig or snake plant, can completely change the vibe of your room. 3. Lighting is everything. Layer your lighting. Use ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps together. Warm light creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere that screams sophistication. 4. Use wall art smartly. 1 or 2 large art pieces look more elegant than many small ones. Choose artwork that matches your color scheme and adds personality. 5. Add mirrors. Mirrors make your space feel bigger and brighter. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect light and create an airy feel. 6. Choose quality over quantity. You don't need too many furniture pieces. Pick a few high-quality or statement items, like a stylish sofa or coffee table, that stand out. 7. Mix textures. Combine soft fabrics, metal accents, and wooden elements. Mixing textures adds depth and makes your living room look rich and well-designed. 8. Use decorative accessories sparingly. Less is more. Instead of cluttering shelves, choose a few beautiful pieces like candles, vases, or sculptures to keep your space elegant and balanced. 9. Keep it clutter-free. No matter how stylish your furniture is, clutter ruins elegance. Hide cables, use baskets for small items, and keep surfaces clean and organized. 10. Invest in statement curtains. Floor-length curtains add instant luxury. Choose light fabrics like linen or sheer materials in soft tones to make your room look taller and brighter. 11. Balance proportions. Make sure your furniture fits your space. A small sofa in a big room looks lost, and oversized furniture in a small room feels cramped. Find the right balance. 12. Add a pop of color. Once your base is neutral, bring in a few accent colors. Maybe navy blue cushions, gold decor, or pastel artwork for that perfect chic touch. (13) Create a focal point. Every elegant living room has one main highlight. Maybe a fireplace, a statement wall, or a stunning piece of art. It draws the eye and adds structure to your design. (14) Layer rugs and fabrics. Add a cozy rug under your coffee table and throw blankets on the sofa. These little layers make your space warm, comfortable, and stylish. (15) Add personal touches. Finally, elegance doesn't mean your living room should feel like a showroom. Add family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade art pieces to make it feel uniquely yours. And that's it. 15 easy tips to help you create a living room that's beautiful, elegant, and totally chic. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more home decor inspiration every week.